Dear children, today we bring you a heartwarming story about a boy who shares his Eid savings with a needy friend. This story teaches us generosity and kindness. Let's begin. It was the last Friday of Ramadan. Amir had saved his Eid money in a box. As he headed to buy a new toy, he saw his neighbor sitting sadly. "Rafiq, why are you upset?" Amir asked. Rafiq lowered his eyes. "We don't have new clothes or toys for Eid." Amir looked at his money box, then at Rafiq. A thought struck him. Ramadan is about helping others. He gave half his savings to Rafiq. "Here, let's celebrate Eid together." Tears of joy filled Rafiq's eyes. "Thank you, Amir. You've made my Eid bright." Amir learned that true happiness lies in making others happy. Did you help someone in need this Ramadan? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe for more inspiring stories.